Now we're going to take a look at the knives that you probably would carry on your body. Having it on your body is the best place to have all of your survival gear. If you're going to carry a knife that you can open with one hand. One hand opening is important because you may not have the use of your other hand. Or you can carry a modest sized knife that you don't need to open at all. This is perfectly adequate for surviving in the wilderness. Doesn't have to be a big knife. And this is small enough that in its sheath it can fit in your pocket if you prefer to carry it there than on your belt. What about a butterfly knife? Opens. You can open it with one hand. You can close it with one hand. This has a 3-inch blade. That's about as short as I want to go for a knife that I'm going to depend upon in the wilderness. But you do not have to carry a big knife. It does not have to be an expensive knife. This is a nice little K-bar that you can pick up for about 40, 50 bucks that will see you through in almost any circumstance you can imagine. The important part is having the knife on your person at all times. If you leave the aircraft, your knife is going with you because that's your number two important survival tool. Fixed blade knives have the advantage of not having a joint to break. And so they're one solid piece. They're stronger. They tend to be a little bit longer, which gives you some advantages. Oftentimes, a pilot will have his folding knife in his pocket and put his fixed blade into a survival kit or in a survival vest. First of all, well, yeah, you might be surprised. I have my own knife. This has a 4.5-inch blade. It's solid tang. It's ergonomic. Those are the things that you want. This is about as long a fixed blade knife as I really want you to have in your survival gear. This is about 6.5 inches. We come down to 6 inches. Little beefy knife, beefier than I would carry because I'm carrying this knife. But this would be perfectly adequate and not too heavy. Here we have a couple of blades with about a 5-inch, 4.5 to 5-inch blade. Okay. Notice the blade shapes. There are no really slim, tiny points that can break off. These are known as drop point blades. Very strong to the tip, but plenty slicey. You should always carry your personal everyday carry folding knife, but somewhere in the aircraft, there should be a fixed blade knife. Ideally, somewhere between 4 and 6 inches.